How to use automatic reply in Outlook Mail. So here I am in my Outlook account, and currently I'm using the new version or the web version of Outlook. So for example, if you want to use automatic replies, you can just go ahead, go to your file, click settings, go to account, then you can see the option right here for automatic replies. So automatic replies are good to use if, for example, maybe you are in vacation and then you are not available to respond to emails for a certain time period. So you can go ahead and turn on automatic replies. Then you can go ahead and create a message right here for your automatic reply. So for example, I can go ahead and create an email right here. For example, let's say, hello, I am currently on vacation leave and I will be back on Friday, May 8th, 2026. I will get back to you as soon as I return. Thanks. And then we now have our template right here for our automatic reply. And then this specific automatic reply will be sent to people inside your organization. So currently I'm using a Microsoft business account, and then that means that my account is inside of an organization. So if you just have like a normal Microsoft account, it will still look the same. It's just that you won't have this option to send replies inside your organization. So you can only have this one right here where you can just send replies to your contacts. And then they're basically the same. You just need to go ahead and create your email template right here. And then since I already created this one, I could just copy this, paste it right here so that I have the same email template for the automatic replies. And then you can also turn on this option right here, like send replies only during a time period. So for example, if you have like a vacation on a specific time period, you can just go ahead and turn this on so that the automatic replies feature will only be processed on the start time and end time that you have put right here. So right now the start time is May 6, 2026, 3 p.m. And then the end time will be May 8, 2026, and then let's say 8 a.m. for example, like that. And then you can also do some other things like you can block your calendar for that time period. You can automatically decline new invitations for events that occur during this period, and then decline and cancel my meetings during this period. And then that is basically it. So you can just hit save, and then now the automatic replies will be turned on. So every time that people email you along this specific time period, so the automatic replies will be sent to them so that they will know that you are on vacation leave, and then they will be receiving this template right here for the automatic reply. So that is how we can use automatic replies in the new version or the web version of Outlook. So if you're using the classic version of Outlook, we can also turn on automatic replies. So I have here the classic application of Outlook right here, and then you can just go to file. From here, you can see automatic replies right here in your account information. So you can click that, and then you can go ahead and do the same thing. So you can turn on send automatic replies. You can also turn on send automatic replies during a time period. So for example, let's do the same thing. The end time will be on May 8, 2026 on 8 a.m. And then you have the template for your automatic replies right here. Then click OK so that automatic replies will be turned on, and then you can see that there is a highlight right here that automatic replies are being sent. And then you can turn it off by just clicking this button right here. And then that is it. So that is how we can use automatic replies in Outlook Mail, both in the classic version and the new version of Outlook. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.